everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm glad you're back here with us today. We are here again in Chicago. Beautiful day. Well, somewhat of a beautiful day. It's kind of like 21 degrees right now. But we're going to be doing a little PV today. We are going to be using the 55 to 250 mil today. We might switch off with the 50 mil. We'll see how it goes today. I just really want to go out today and just really enjoy the scenery today. Just really go out and just see what we can capture. You know, so I'm not gonna really I won't do much talking, honestly. So I just want you guys to really enjoy this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. It helps me a whole lot. It costs you nothing. And if you are subscribed, welcome back. But with that being said, let's get into the shoot. I'm a little warmed up. Let's get warmed up. We'll see how it works out. Look at the alleyway. I got that. Haha, nice, I like that. I like this frame here. Okay. what time it is. It's not that much like it is in New York, but it's something. I gotta turn that shutter off. Alright, cool. Cool. Shot here. Let's see how that goes. Nice. I like that. I like that. Alright, it's into part 2. Part 3 coming up soon. Like and subscribe to see more. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when part 3 goes up. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.